Everybody move on to sa. Arrête de dire. Menele mon salwa mon rapedi. Yana li tumelo everybody move on to sa. Mon argent là une si c'est wanaka. Faut pas faire comme la ou dit ya. Menele mon salwa mon rapedi. Yana li tumelo everybody move on to sa. Mon argent là une si c'est wanaka.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to JJ Network. My name is Jenna Charlton. If you don't know me and if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back and thank you for your love and your support. Today we're out at Thaba Nchu for We're Back Home. Yeah, in the Free State. And look, I have a dope lined up interviews for you guys. We're gonna have Sanere for sure, and Latastana many more. So you guys stay tuned in. Yeah, we're back home by Bridge Entertainment. So come with me as we're gonna have a good time. Stay tuned. And today we are at We're Back Home in Thaba Nchu, and I'm with the multi-talented Sanere. Hi Sanere.
Dumelang.
Pelawang.
Ke phela hantle ke tsoa bona o phela.
I'm good. Ke phela hantle ka net. How does it feel Homa We're Back Home?
Wa thabisa ne. Wa tswa ka mehla o fumana ntho tse ntsha tse di phela. O tlameha o thabe mme o lebo.
Your favorite part ya ho performela crowd ya Free State ke eng?
Part e ke ratang. Hai, e tlameha o e beile ka bothata botse o go e nolofatsa.
I'm saying like you I mean o performa haholo Free State. Today concert ena e Free State. So ne ke re na favorite part ya ho performela batho ba Free State ke eng part ya o thabisang ha o binela batho ba Free State?
Oho, batho ba mona ba etsa go tuka go ke high ne. And high tshula la pe mo lo go le gato le ngata. Yeah, ba supportive haholo. And ke le ba go ba se ba pineng o le ngwa.
So go ba o betse ka your working relationship ya hao le keta o ntsha ha botla recently. How is it going? O fumana reception ya pina yo e le jang?
E monate haholo e ntla haholo bjale motho haholo ha e se ya hao. O re kwa tseba go na entse phusho ha kae ne. E se le mane mo tla tseba empa he yona ka yona entse performance.
And o sentse collaboration e tsengata so far le mong senana. Ke efeng collaboration e nngwe e maybe re sa e lebellang e tlang somewhere soon?
Wa tseba ha e tswalle ka ga tse ding. Ebile ho tlosa ka bala ditsuonyana pele go e qhotsa. Jale ntengwe le ngwa ha itlhaela le mphanya go sofa.
Empa di a
a tsona dinganga. Tsona dinganga.
A tsaka ntle ga leboa.
O dole subscribe mo. Le penya ba thinde no subscribe e tla hlaisa ka yena ka mola go.
Thank you. We are still at We're Back Home, and right now I am with one of the people who's an MC today. You guys are very familiar with this face. Roboto. Hello, how are you?
I'm good, how are you doing?
I'm awesome. Welcome to my YouTube channel.
Dope, thank you for having me out here. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, baby.
How are you feeling the vibe here tonight?
Yo, the vibe is dope, man. Like, energy's at the top. Shout out to Thaba Nchu and the crowd out here. But also December, you know? Yeah, South Africa as a whole in December. It's the place to be.
Yeah. Is this your first We're Back Home?
Yeah. So it's not my first time in Thaba Nchu, but it's my first time We're Back Home. So I'm not back home, but I'm back.
Yeah. So how do you keep the crowd going when you are on stage?
With emceeing, it's basically chants and communication, crowd involvement. And with performing, it's the dancing. Yeah.
So whose performance were you most excited about? Because the lineup today is a mixture of, new kids on the block, like new artists and, just established artists as well.
Yeah.
Which ones excite you the most?
I'm forgetting his name, the dude from Lesotho.
Sanere.
Sanere. Yeah. Tilly told me about him. He's like, yo, watch out for this kid. And the minute he got on stage, the energy and the crowd were just bucking out. They were singing his songs. Like, he wasn't even doing much. And then Shebe. It was my first time seeing Shebe perform. Yeah. Crazy enough. But there was a Folker gig that Shebe was performing before me. But obviously, I'm next. So my mind is fixing my stuff before. So I haven't actually gotten to see him perform live. So yeah, shout out to those two.
Shout out to Sanere and Shebe. Well, thank you so much for joining us. You are a very talented man. Is there any secret talents that you have that nobody knows about?
There's more that I'm still going to reveal, but just know that I'm always cooking.
Cook, robot, cook.
Yo, subscribe to J&J Network, like, comment, and do the things. If you have data, if you're watching this, it means you're online. Let's stay online and let's support locals.
Thank you so much.
Talenta give we give adimo langa wakarata ho ha give ya vela yo se ngari khaphatsa ba holo khala banga pela ho mpona ke atla.
And we're still live at We're Back Home in Tabanchu. And right now, next to me is none other than Shebe. Hello, how are you doing?
I'm fine, and you?
I'm good. How are you feeling the vibe here?
The vibe is beautiful. Everything is beautiful. I want to go now. That time, shit. I want to go to university. I want to go to billiard. That time, now.
For sure. What can we expect from your performance today?
I expect more fun and more vivuling and caroling and pezuling. That time, now.
Okay, tell us about your recent project or Yenseng.
My recent project, my music, my story. Yeah, I explain everything, experience since accident. I'm just pouring my heart on a beat.
Yeah,
that time.
And we appreciate that, and we're glad you're here with us today. Definitely. And for people who are not here, what would you say to them?
Baba seng gona mo bona ke tla reng ba mesa monate ba mesa the after Christmas ba mesa o svevola ba mesa o phezulu ka time wa bona mara ke re next time le ona a ke ro kere le rena go ngwe financially maybe ba sharp wa bona mara next time vela maybe ba ta ba le matatsi ba kere le re Shebe ke millionaire ka ba rekela ticket no fa ba two ticket so ba mahala so
Please do. And also one last question. How do you keep the crowd going during your performances? What's the magic?
There's no magic wa bona ntwelo re no ba etla wa bona ke la ya just be you wa bona yeah umprostana gore no ba wena and o tsebe gore gore tse ba ka ba ela gore nna ke treat batho tswana whether o strategic whether o bereki whether o bereka whether big artist whether our artist motho ke motho wa bona just treat them the same.
Definitely. Thank you so much for your time.
Yeah, bo let's subscribe o J&J Network mo ka nako ka time mo hele ja go bona dilo le subscribe mo ka time shit
ya ma bibili azale montlanyetla ileng neuna ave khawya mo yetsina hazwe une ari ufuwe mohale angabale hawle aka shomisia umune yetla ke naka bonkhono ne batsuhile bangelo mohajanu tsuhile bare khanya jena yana tsele fast and abasha ba kanta khodi ne tulukile ai hotla mona ke humile
Hey guys, we've had an amazing time, and right now I am with a man who needs no introduction, okay? He just had a fire set. Hi, how are you doing?
I'm good. How are you, Mama?
I'm awesome. Welcome to my show.
Thank you so much.
Tell us about that incredible set you just had.
No, you know me. I'm kidding. No. This was like a wonderful. I think it's a 10th annual. This is my first as Murder without Black Motion. We've done this for like 2 years with Black Motion. I think it was 4 years ago before pandemic and stuff. So I'm back as Murder. So amazing.
And you killed it.
Kizamine.
He know he did. He know he did. But how are you feeling about the Tabanchu crowd? How did they receive you?
You know me, as long as it's South Africa, like, I like to say I'm not from Pretoria. I'm from South Africa. I represent South Africa. So wherever I go, kikasiaka. Le Lesotho kikasiaka, eh? Ba tseba Lesotho. Yes. Ba ile ba mfa kobo. You know? So yeah, but then yeah, the crowd is amazing. The reception, it was great, yeah.
That's dope. Thank you so much for hanging out with us.
Oh, that's it.
Oh, wow.
Okay, I'm a 2025 Grammy nominee. You know what I mean? So next year.
You're bringing it home.
Yesterday's prize is not today's prize. So next year, watch out.
When you come back to J&J Network, we'll be putting that Grammy here.
Yeah, you know, here and then full of bodyguards.
Yes.
The Lesotho guys, Le Tobane, Bang Sarandile, Bang Katile, you know?
Thank you so much.
Yeah, you guys must subscribe, JJ Network. Yes, Mera was here, the 2025 Grammy nominee. You was here, so next year, watch out. You're one of the way you guys approach me. You're gonna approach 10 people before me to come to me and say, can you please have an interview? But then, since when I know you guys, but I will say, no, they are with me, so.
Shout out. Thank you so much.
Okay, cool, mama.
senna se matshwao a thata se tšhekwa ka kepipakeng tsa mafika le majwe phelo ga bona gaola bolatlela la ke sentse ke matha ke baleya ga masedi modimo a dikgomo le batho itse tlo ga e tlholo ke mogwalo senke ke letse mogwalo e ka gona o ya ntshita maobane maobanyana ke bone hantle phelo ga bo batle difelo phelwana phelo bolatlela la ga ke sentse ke bitsa gaola ke tsogame ke hlatswa le grave timo
nna ke fihlile le mo matsapa mo ba monna ke fihlile le mo ba utlwa gore o tata go ba monna nna ke fihlile le mo matsapa mo ba monna nna ke fihlile le mo ba utlwa gore o tata go ba monna nna ke fihlile